Hello, I'm here today with Sashi Jayaretnam, Director, Product Management. Welcome, Sashi.
Hi, Jim.
Now, Sashi, why is it important to do load testing during development?
Well, load testing helps you find the breaking point. So you need to load test with a realistic mix of application traffic so that you can right-size your investment. It is suitable for your network. You know where your thresholds are. So you can plan better. For example, recently a customer of ours did a 100 gig DDoS test. It helped them figure out how long their DDoS mitigation process really takes.
That makes sense. Now, how much loading can you actually simulate?
It's very important to understand the characteristics of your network. And these characteristics are different from different enterprise customers or different provider networks. We can simulate an entire city of subscribers and the scale, or a small enterprise, and we can scale to your needs.
Can you drill down a bit? I mean, what specific types of traffic types, traffic patterns, and maybe user loads can you simulate, and expand a bit more? What are the benefits?
If you take our breaking point solution, it's very ideally suited for being able to create a mix of different applications and combine it with a lot of different threat vectors like malware, exploits, botnets, DDoS, and you can really assess your application performance as well as the security resilience. And you can take IX Load, for example. It's more useful for validating the quality of experience of applications. So because we give you real-time analysis of how a voice call is going or a video service is going.
Well, let's build on that. What's the difference between, say, IX Load and IX Chariot, and how do organizations choose which one to use?
Where Chariot is different is that Chariot is a network assessment and a troubleshooting tool. Okay, it is more designed for once either in pre-deployment or in production, being able to validate where your trouble points are in your network, and we send real application traffic, but not at scale. Okay, so whenever customers need scale and load testing, they will graduate to a tool like IX Load or Breaking Point, and that's the difference.
Okay, and can you give us an example of a company that really learned an important lesson through testing?
Recently, a global financial company, they were doing some validation of devices to put in their network, where they found out that their IPS, when they turn on all these different policies, is not going to be able to keep up with the application performance that they needed to be able to keep up with. When they enable different policies like SSL inspection and things like that, the performance degrades. Because you can test with any load, right? But what is really important is that you understand your network, your baselines, so that you can test the devices in your conditions.
Sashi, that's fantastic insight. I really want to thank you for being here today.
Thanks, Jim.